The name, and let me show this register where the name of Anurag Yadav, Mantri ji, all of this comes up. There are links being drawn to the private secretary of the LOP in Bihar, which is Mr. Tejasvi Yadav. Why has there been no statement, no explanation that has come up from the RJD? I ask you a direct question.
Evening. I think if you keep an eye, I think, take a stock of the situation of this issue, you will find that from very beginning, this government, the central government, the BJP government, in its minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, has been taking the stand that there was nothing wrong with this NEET examination. He was not accepting that there was a paper leak. It clearly indicates that they are trying to hide something. They are trying to shield somebody. Within 24 hours, the examination of NET has been cancelled. And inquiry has been set up. Why this NEET examination is not cancelled?
Because I'll tell you why.
Why there is no?
Because
why
there are
is
24 lakh futures involved here. There are 24. आप ऐसे ही नहीं कैंसिल कर सकते.
9 lakh.
जो लोग क्वालिफाई कर चुके हैं और जिन्होंने जिनके केस में there is no hanky panky scene, why should they suffer? If one person against whom natural justice principles are not applied, my friend, it will be a travesty of justice. So why don't you answer the direct question on why is the name of private secretary of Tejasvi Yadav
I'm answering
coming?
your question. Don't justify the government. Please don't justify Navika.
Please do not worry about me. Worry about the name of the private secretary of Pritam Shukla.
You will not allow me to speak. That is true. You will justify the government stand. What answer you have to offer? Why the minister has not been accepting that there is a leak?
Why is the name of Pritam
Why he was not
Shukla
accepting
there?
it? Why there is not a CBI inquiry?
Can you please answer my question?
Why there is not a CBI inquiry? And the copy you are showing of the register, that is the register of NAHI, the guest house of NAHI. That is under the control of the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Mr. Vijay Sinha ji. That is under his control. And the word there is written Mantri ji. Who is Mantri ji now? Who is Mantri ji? Is Tejasvi Yadav a Mantri? When this incident happened, was Tejasvi Yadav a Mantri? Mantri ji means the deputy CM who is accusing. He is trying to accuse.
Okay, Mantri ji means the deputy CM.
He is trying to do the politics.
Respond. I'm coming to Satya Prakash ji.
And who is Mr. Amit Anand?
सब बता रहा हूँ पाशा जी, सब बता रहा हूँ.
आपने सवाल पूछा है, अब जवाब सुनिए.
Just one sentence. Mr. Amit Anand, who is also one of the mastermind of this case. Who is he? You can see this is on social media and newspaper also. Amit Anand.
We know the facts, sir. I know the facts better than you.
Well, he will not respond on Pritam Shukla, he will not respond on Yadvendu, but he will respond on everything else. Okay, Pasha Saab, I gave you 2.5 minutes. You have not responded to my direct question. You have raised some. Now listen to the answer. Shehzad first and then Satya Prakash.
अगर वो आरोपियों की सूची मान रहे हैं FIR में जो लिखी हुई है, तो उसी में लिखा है ना सिकंदर यादवेंदु. अब सिकंदर यादवेंदु का कमरा किसने बुक कराया? ये कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड से स्थापित हुआ है. सुन लीजिए, बीच में मत बोलिए भाई साहब. मैंने आपके एक बीच में शब्द नहीं. नाविका, मैं इस डिबेट को इस प्रकार से छिछालेदार नहीं होने दूंगा. मेरे तथ्य सामने.
पाशा जी, you've spoken. I'm lowering your fader. Please listen to the answer. I'll give you time to counter.
मंत्री जी वही लोग अपने आप पे लगाते हैं जो मंत्री ना होते हुए भी अपने आप को मंत्री जी कहलाना अच्छा लगता है उनको. आप स्टेटमेंट पढ़ लीजिए प्रदीप का, जिसने रूम बुक किया था. वो प्रदीप ने बताया कि प्रीतम उसको मंत्री बोलता है. कौन है मंत्री? उनके लिए तो लालू और तेजस्वी मंत्री है, और सिकंदर जी के लिए मंत्री आज भी वही है, चाहे सत्ता किसी की भी हो, सेवा कोई भी करे, मुख्यमंत्री कोई भी हो, मंत्री वही है. इसी ने बनाया था, इन्हीं की सरकार ने सिकंदर को बनाया था, और सिकंदर की बहन के बेटे को भी मिला है, और वो NHI के गेस्ट हाउस में भी मिला है. अब बताइए कि उसका रूम किसने करवाया? और मैं आपसे कह रहा हूं, कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड है मान्यवर. आप केवल इतना बता दीजिए कि आपको, तो मैं आज कहता हूं चुनौती से कहिए कि जो भी बच्चों की चिंता है ना, बोलिए कि अगर हमारे तेजस्वी जी के वहां से एक भी कनेक्शन निकला तो तेजस्वी कि सारी संपत्ति का पैसा इन बच्चों के लिए खर्च होना चाहिए ताकि इनका भरपाई हो सके।
Anwar
बोलिए
Pasha
एक बार।
respond.
बोलिए एक
Anwar
बार।
Pasha respond.
The Mantri ji means the Mantri ji who is at present the Mantri. And that is Mr. Vijay Sinha,
Why is
the
Mantri
Deputy
ji
CM.
not
He is
the Mantri ji at present,
He is the
Satyaprakash
Mantri ji.
Mishra?
In
And why
registered, whose name
why
is
is
registered
it
there?
why is it Tejasvi
the
Yadav
registered
और लालू
Mr.
प्रसाद
Arvind
यादव?
Pasha.
Please explain.
मैं आपको एंकर बोलूं, एडिटर ना बोलूं तो आप एंकर बन जाएंगे क्या? ये कोई भी लॉजिक है, वो मंत्री बोलता है उनको
भाई
भाई।
उन्होंने सवाल